Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, Ruchir, going to discuss the chapter Mix Up at Birth. It's the extract taken from Gavaskar's autobiography, Sunny Days. So, let's start. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle, Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, had not come into my life the day I was born on July 10th, 1949. It seems that Nankaka, as I call him, who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top of my left earlobe. By these lines, Gavaskar says that he would not have been a cricketer or would not have written this book if his uncle, Mr. Narayan Masuvekar, had not visited the hospital on 10th July 1949, the day he was born. It was his uncle who had noticed a little hole on his left ear. The next day, he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to my mother. To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. A frantic search was made, and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. The mix up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. Here he says that his uncle again visited the hospital next day and picked up the baby but found that the baby was not Sunil Gavaskar, to whom he had met yesterday. Everybody madly started to search for the baby, and ultimately, the baby was found sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman, completely ignorant of the bustle. The swapping or exchange had happened after their bath. Again, he writes that I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman, working somewhere along the west coast. And what about the baby who, for a spell, took my place? I do not know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. Later, he says that he is really very grateful to his uncle because due to him only he was protected from being exchanged, else, he would have grown up to be a fisherman and not to be a cricketer. At the end of the story, he is thinking for the boy with whom he was swept with the hope that he might have gone through his book and perhaps taking little interest on Gavaskar. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द स्टोरी. अब एक बार हम लोग इसको हिंदी में समझते हैं. ये कहानी सुनील गावस्कर के जीवनी से लिया गया है जिसका नाम था सनी डेज़. इसमें सुनील गावस्कर के जीवन का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट घटना है जिसमें जब सुनील गावस्कर जन्म लिए थे 10 जुलाई 1949 को, तब वो किसी दूसरे बच्चे के साथ गलती से स्वेप्ट हो जाते हैं, मतलब बदल जाते हैं, जिसके कारण पूरे हॉस्पिटल में सभी रिलेटिव्स इनके परेशान हो जाते हैं और अंत में इनको इनके अंकल के कारण, जिनका नाम था नारायण मासुवेकर, उनके कारण ढूंढ लिया जाता है. ये बहुत ही बड़ी घटना थी क्योंकि सुनील गावस्कर लिखते हैं कि मुझे पता नहीं था कि मेरे साथ क्या होता. अगर मैं सच में बदल जाता तो शायद मैं आज एक मछुआरा होता, ना कि एक क्रिकेटर। तो उम्मीद है आप लोग इसको अच्छे से समझ गए हैं। अब आगे हम लोग इसका वर्कशीट डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्कशीट। कम टू B3. On the basis of your reading, complete the following table with information about Sunil Gavaskar. First one is Gavaskar's full name. Answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Profession cricketer. Birthday 10th July 1949. Gavaskar's uncle's name Mr. Narayan Masuvekar. Now come to the true and false. First one is Sunil Gavaskar would probably have been a fisherman if Nankaka had not visited the hospital. It's true. Second, Sunil has a hole in his right earlobe. It's false. Third, the babies got exchanged while they were being given a bath. It's true. Fourth, Sunil was located sleeping beside his mother. It's false. Now come to B5. Find words from the passage which mean the same as the following. First, find out about something. Answer is search. Second, disturbance or fuss. It's commotion. Third, wildly excited. It's frantic. Fourth, lacking knowledge. It's ignorance. Now, B6. Now fill in the blanks with an appropriate form of the word from the listed ones in B5. First one, the answer is frantic. Second, the answer is commotion. Third, the answer is peacefully. Fourth, the answer is ignorant. Now come to B7. Read the following extract and answer the question given. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. Who is I in the above line? The answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Second, why is the speaker grateful to his uncle? The answer is because he noticed the hole on his left earlobe. Third, what does the expression nature marked me out mean? It means he has a hole on his earlobe by birth. Thanks and have a nice day.